Good morning, folks. The broadcast got messed up there just a minute ago. So what we got here? Let's go with, where's my buddy? There's my buddy. Back up to the beginning. Chill out. Good morning, guys. This is gold from last night. Setup I sent to the team. It was beautiful, actually. Quick early money from Asia. Who's here? Latria, good morning. There you are, I can see now. Good morning. And this was last night. I took the sell right here. It had created a minor support right here. And after I gave the wick, it was like, even though it was coming into the zone with momentum, I anticipated the break. So that gives me an early entry. It also gives me a stop loss that's much higher. And I can endure a lot of the pullbacks because of my stop loss being so high. So I took profit all along the way. Ultimately, my goal was here. I didn't care to go all the way down to the wick, just somewhere in here. And it hit, but before it hit, it came back and took out my position. And look how exactly it comes to that entry. You know what I mean? That's pretty sick. It came exactly to it, took me out, but I had already got my profit. I had moved my stop loss like 2 pips into profit or something like that, just in case it did exactly that. And that's what it did. It was a good night. We have a whole bunch of folders this morning, if I'm correct. It's another reason why I wasn't here earlier. We got a bunch of folders. We got all these folders right here at 8:30. We got some more over here that just now happened at 7. We got a whole bunch of them over here at 10:30. You know, they're not high impact, but they're a lot. And so I think they can affect the way the price moves. And after making my money last night, I didn't want to put it at risk. So I came late and I'm going to take it really easy. That's how it turned out last night. Nice little bunch of blues. But that's, again, that's one position. That's one position, taking partials as it went. So that's one trade. You know, all of that is one trade. So now I'm going to try to figure out here if I want to do something this morning or not. We'll see. Good morning, Zain. Good morning, Waleed. Good morning, Kim, Quincy, Reese, Sterling. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Let me go ahead and erase all this. Did anybody catch that from TTA last night? Anybody make money on that last night from TTA? It was nice. And if you didn't catch it, I mean, there's two, you could have caught 2 retests, right? There's this retest over here. What time was that? I was at midnight. At midnight, it retested nicely and dropped again. And then at 2 a.m., it retested again and dropped again. That retest would have given just a few pips drawdown, like 7 pips drawdown, and then it went for 70 pips. So nice, easy price action last night. Really, nothing dramatic, which is great. That's how we want to see it. I think I'll leave everything, but let me see. I think I'll pay more attention to. Let's go ahead and do this down here. right around there, something like that. This might need adjusting. That does need adjusting because what it's really respecting is this area up here. That right there. Okay. Breakouts above this to this, I'm not sure if I would be interested in that. It's like 30 pips. I mean, it still pays, but it's kind of like a wall right there. It would be better for it to break above that. And once it breaks above that, then you got clear candles all the way up to about 100 pips. About 100 pips up if you can clear this up here. Otherwise, 30 pips in here. Not sure if that's worth it to risk it. And then if it can clear this or area over here. So that's a bit of a wall there too. We may stay in consolidation. I wonder if we'll stay in consolidation here because of all that. Let me go ahead and clone this baby right here and use it down here. Yeah, for me, this is going to be mostly watching, observing what it does. This was GU, the setup. I did not send on GU last night, but it paid nicely, broke the trend line and just kept going. I had sent out gold, so I didn't send another one. But this was also easy money, wasn't it, guys? I mean, if you look at this trend line, that's coming from forever. When it finally breaks, it's time to start looking at that, right? So it broke there on the hour, comes back for a retest, and goes. You notice where the retest happened. It happened right there. Comes back, retest, drops like crazy. That break of the trend line paid 57 pips. That was nice GU. Nice GU. GU was nice. Okay, now I broke that trend line. I think I'll leave the trend line there. Let's go to the 30-minute. 30-minute, we have new support. And we kind of have a resistance right there, but really, let's just be more realistic about it and just play it safe up here. Let's look left. Let's do hot top down, top down. Let's do top down. Should have done that first. Okay, so it's bearish on the daily. It is bearish. We kind of form a bias from this, right? The fact that it is breaking, it broke the trend line. It is at the 50. If it can break through that 50 on the daily, it can drop hard for a while. Okay, let me see. Do I want to keep these up here? I don't need to keep these up here, but I don't think they're going to come into play. Go to the 4-hour. Bearish. Go to the 1-hour. Bearish with a pullback, right? It's pulling back. 30-minute. Nice consolidation in here. So I think we're looking at sells based on the daily. Based on the daily, I think we're looking at sells. Look at this. Right? It was up here and it didn't want to come down. And now it did. It broke through this. Now it did. It came, broke, we tested and everything. And now I think we're looking at the bears. So if it can break through this, right? If it can break through that little minor thing there, you have a significant drop. What is that, 33 pips? It's gonna have a hard time climbing that thing. And 33, 35 pips where it came from. So that's about right for GU. I'll be interested in seeing some wicks up here before it breaks. And yeah, I am biased for the sell today on GU. Not supposed to have a bias, but I can afford a bias now that I'm not really in the market for money today. Okay, so this is the setup I had left a couple days ago on the potential of gold dropping. Looks like a bearish flag. It is bearish at the moment. It is bullish right now and pushing up on the 4 hour. Yeah, strong support, right? Bounce, bounce. Strong support right there. Bit of a wall right here for it to break down. It's pushing up, isn't it? At 4 hours pushing up. Trying to get back inside there. So on the daily, it is bearish, but it with a strong rejection from down here. So let me see. Can't really call this to be bullish when it's been dropping and it's below these over here. Okay, can't really call this bullish. Has to break these highs. Has to break the highs, and then we can maybe start calling it bullish. Right now, no. But the 4 hour is currently bullish, bouncing from support. 1 hour bounce from support. Going down to 30-minute. Do I want to do anything with this? I don't think I want to do anything with this. If it breaks this minor support over here, 30 pips, right into a very strong support. May not be worth having that there. Just going to look for some sort of structure up here. Forming some sort of structure up here that I can perhaps catch for a sell, or if it breaks above, then a retest to go. Either way, I need to see a wick in the opposite direction. Just like you see a wick here in the opposite direction, here wicks and goes up. Here wicks and goes up, wicks and goes up. That's what I need to see, either a wick and go down or a wick to go up. It already did the wicks on the bottom. Would have been a nice catch on the second one. On this second one right here. That would have been a nice catch as it broke above the resistance there. It's back into the wedge. Price is back in the wedge. Just momentarily poked out. That's the bigger picture. See how it reacts in this area over here. Took 30. Okay, Zane took 30. Good. Good morning, Abe's. Abe's made money last night. I know that. Rashad, good morning. Pamela, good morning. Tony, good morning. Yeah, there's a lot of news today, so I'm just chilling over here with my cup of coffee. Only looking for a primo setup. And I have reduced risk. If something shows up that is nice and beautiful and we want, then we'll take it. Otherwise, no. It looks like there's going to be red folders tomorrow too. Man, no break this week. No break this week. So based on all these news and everything, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be looking for Asia opportunities and maybe London opportunities or pre-London opportunities. I don't think I can stay up for London. Not anymore. Because what happens in London, if you stay up for London, is you enter into a position, the position starts wigging out or whatever. It takes a while to work out. And now you're looking at 4:30 in the morning, 5:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, and forget it. I'm not going to do that. Okay, my whole lifestyle has now changed to New York time. Let's go see what else we got going on. This is a Dixie. This is the Dixie. It's consolidating, basically. Dixie's consolidating after coming up here. Let's go to GA. GA is still in the channel. Let's eliminate these things over here. Putting it there in case, let me see. About 26 pips. Yeah, I think it has to go through that first. But let's be conservative. It is a news days after all. Well, but this news days on the USD, not on the pound. Well, there's news here on the Aussie. That's later on tonight. So here we have a channel, right? We've been watching this. We've been watching this happen on GA. Okay, we've been watching this. Okay, so what is likely to happen? I think it's a bounce is likely to happen. For the dailies, looking left. Yeah. It already bounced once. Yeah, it's bearish right now. Let's see, the daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. I'm thinking a bounce and a wick, something like that, or coming down, bounce and go up. Yeah, GA looks nice actually. GA is tradable. GA is tradable. GA is nice. This is very nice. Just be aware that there's other zones here and the channel bottom down here. But before it hits that, it's going to pay out some good pips. That's 35 pips. That's 60 pips down. And if it breaks up, you got minor areas here. Well, it's noisy. It's noisy here and here. I would rather see a sell. Sell will be cleaner, but GA is nice, guys. GA looks nice. If J was up, that he might be sending that out. Let's go to GJ. GJ is a little messy. Oh, but it's nice. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Okay. That's bearish. Okay, that's the daily. Daily broke the flag and it's creating another flag in the lower time frame. Okay, that's looks like a potential reversal candle right there. Let's see how that closes. This is the 1 hour and this is the 30-minute. I like this little flag. I like that. It's very nice. That is very pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, my pretty. GJ, I think looks cleaner than GU at the moment. It's rare to hear me say that, but it does look cleaner. Tight zones. What is that? 17 pips between in here. That's very tight. Don't get faked out to the upside. This is a bearish flag. And the daily is bearish and the 4 hour is bearish. So let's go back and look to see where could it go. Okay, next stop. Make this from up here. Not relevant. This could turn relevant. If it breaks to the upside, I mean, there's clean candles up, but just making you aware not to get caught in a fake out. News when? News tonight at 10:30. Okay, this could be an opportunity tonight at 10:30. Yeah, maybe we catch this tonight. Well, it can break this morning. I mean, this is gonna have some action this morning, I think. While GBP is open for the next few hours. It's already starting to move, I think. It's rejecting, that's for sure. So that could be an opportunity tonight also after or before news. We'll see. Let's go back. I think this is beautiful. This is very nice. You see how, in fact, it already happened in GU. Let's go back to GU. It already happened in GU. You see how GU fell, created the flag, and the flag broke. Okay. So this same scenario is happening in GJ right now. And I like GJ better. This is where GU is now. GJ is nicer right now. Goals we're rejecting up here. Good morning, Justin. Hey, good job, Justin. Good job. That's fantastic. 2 for 2. Gotta love it. Good morning, Jovan. God bless you, brother. Good morning, Derek. Um, 8 o'clock coming in 10 minutes. Those are the candles we're going to wait for to see what happens. I don't see this as clean as this is pretty clean over here. And GA, goodness gracious, GA looks beautiful. Anybody watch the game last night? That's what kept me up last night. But it felt good, you know, to be trading and making money and watching the game at the same time. It was a good game. Good beginning to the World Series. Where's my chart? Here's my chart. Split that out. There you go. I can see them both now. It looks like the 5 minute on USD is already breaking down. Gold pushing up. I think I took out all my indicators on gold. Okay, this is kind of busy. I think I'm going to eliminate the wedge. I don't like. Hold on. I don't like a busy chart. Okay. The 1 hour is getting ready to push into overbought. The 30 minute is already there. The 15 minute, it's even already curling down. That's why I'm saying I'm thinking perhaps a fake out up here. I am definitely biased for a sell on gold. Watch it turn into a buy, right? I mean, it bounced hard, and this is a place for it to bounce. So right now, it's on the bullish side. On the lower time frames, it's bullish. On the higher time frame, it is bearish. So I'm looking for, yeah. I'm looking for a top wick. Good morning, Sandrika. Good morning, Monte Culebra. Monte Culebra. That sounds Puerto Rican, but I don't know. We do have an island in Puerto Rico called Culebra. Oh yeah, the 5 minute crashed on GU. Oh yeah, that's could be a premonition of a move here, especially the volume coming in from New York Open. Got my finger on the trigger. There goes GJ. Yep. GJ is a sell. I mean, do I dare call it already? It's a sell. From what I see. Could I be wrong? Yeah, I could be wrong. Do I want to go on GJ before the 8 o'clock candle? I'd rather go on GU before the 8 o'clock candle. That's more likely. But the price action on this, let me see. Is there a wick already? Oh, yeah, there it is. There's the hour wick. Okay. Yeah, two back to back. Two back to back. Oh. Is it Jovan's birthday today? Good morning, Philip. What does our hour look like on? Yeah, on GU, the hour doesn't look as clean and sweet and nice as the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna have to open GJ. I'm gonna have to open GJ. Let's see. I don't even have GJ on my screen at the moment, but I have to open it. There's GJ. Let's get our magic keys in there. Auto trader is on. Testing the calc. It is working. It's at a critical spot on the 4 hour. It's at critical support on the 4 hour. Interested to see if it breaks through. Yeah, on the 4-hour, it's at strong support. Let's go check that out. Right there. Right there. This could actually be on the 4-hour. This could be the end of the sells. So maybe I don't take a sell. Time out. Time out. Time out. Let's take a look at the higher time frame, Robert. Robert, get a clue, Robert. Get a clue, Robert. Yeah. Yeah, look at that 4-hour. But of course, look at the previous 4-hour. Holy cow. So, but that could be just a liquidity grab. You can see also here there was a bearish flag and it broke. Need a level of confirmation. Need some confirmation on the top lower time frame. I think that could turn into a buy pretty easily based on where it's at, based on how this candle is forming. That still has another hour before it's over. So I'm gonna hold off on GJ. Gonna hold off on GJ. Gonna hold off on GJ. So it's important to keep an eye on the higher time frames. It could be a quick sell, but on the higher time frame, this is the 4-hour support right here. I mean, it can go further down on the wicks, but the closing of the candles, that's the area of closing of the candles in the 4-hour. Perhaps it was a fake out. Gonna wait, gonna wait, gonna wait, wait. Yeah. No early entry for me on GJ. I gotta see it break. The budget reading is going on right now, Philip. Okay, so that's heavy news, isn't it? Yeah, nice little fake out action on GJ and GU. Let's go back to my screens. Ooh, yeah, look at that bounce. Okay, here comes the 8 o'clock candle. So it held above support again on the 4-hour. Perhaps this is the wick in the opposite direction that breaks the high. So if there are news happening right now in the UK, why doesn't it show? Is it an impromptu news? Okay, GU is going for the highs. Okay, I'm gonna try something this morning. I'm gonna wait to see if the 8 o'clock candle, the 8 to 8:30 candle, gives me a wick in either direction. Wait, hold on, let me see. Calendar. Today, look at all these news. Yeah, there it is. There's the autumn budget. Yep. The UK. I think we may be looking at a bullish move now on both GU and GJ. The economic numbers for the British pound must be good. But we don't have numbers yet. No data yet. Don't you love it when your gadgets want to update in the middle of a trade? So right now GBP is weak. So waiting on the news, see if it does anything. Okay, little wick action going on the 5 minute. I'm not gonna go by the 5 minute, but this is why I don't like trading during news days. Goes up, goes down, can't really tell which way it's really going. Now it's turning again. That's that wick happening there that I was talking about. 1 hour. I'm moving to the higher time frame. Moving to the higher time frame. This is the 1 hour. Okay. Above the threshold still of the 4 hour. We'll chill here for a minute. It's on the calendar, Mercedes. It's on the my FX book calendar. The autumn budget. It's happening as we speak. And then we got, actually, it's funny because I don't here it doesn't show durable goods as a red folder, but my FX book has it as high impact. Durable goods orders for the defense, transportation, and trade balance. That's 4 red folders at 8:30. Should have been asleep. I should be asleep. We got, yeah, according to the calendar here, we got a whole bunch of folders and 4 of them are red at 8:30. Should be in bed. Yeah, I like the icons too. Usually I can look at my chart and that's good enough. No, news days like today usually end up killing me. So I'm gonna chill and watch, and unless I get something clear, you can see it when it happens. You can see it when it starts moving. Arnell, you sold what? Oh, Daryl, what did you sell? What did you catch? Oh, GA, did you catch GA? Is that what you're saying? GA, pretty GA. Ooh, okay, there you go. Yeah, GA is looking nice. It broke through there, right? So it should continue going up. Stop loss somewhere up here. Give it a little wick on the top. Let's go to 30-minute. Let's go to 15-minute. It's potentially a sell. Yeah. I mean, that's what we said, right? It just has support here close by, but it got quite a significant drop. It looks nice. GA is nice. I'm not going to get involved in it. It's not a trade I know. It's not a pair I know very well. Technically, it looks good. Little rejection on gold. About 20 pips. Anybody got themselves some Shiba? Yeah, I see gold moving. Okay, we got lots of news in 22 minutes. So tranquilo, tranquilo. Anybody got themselves on Shiba? Jay and I were talking. And we both had coins, tokens and coins and other stuff. Slow moving stuff. And I said, take a look at Shiba. Take a look at Shiba. So he got himself some. I closed all of mine and put it in Shiba. All my coins. And what am I up now? Like 60% already in a few days. It's crazy. Crazy. Looks like we're going for the highs now. Again, this is whipsaw. Quincy's in Solana. Good job. Right? Mercedes, isn't it crazy? 1.6 mil. Nah, not much. Yeah, I have 129 mil. 129 mil. Well, this is tempting to take this buy on gold. I may do it. I'm going in on gold. Just went in on gold, putting my stop loss below the wick on the 1 hour, and let's let it rip. Already 6 pips up. Gonna go for minimal pips. Let's see. 7. Let's see if I can reach that part up there. 9. Going for very minimal pips. 9. Maybe I should take it 10. I'm gonna let it push a little bit. That was quick. 10. Boom, took it. Took me 10 pips. Took me 10 pips on gold. Now I'm gonna chill. That was quick. Holy smokes. That was quick. How much time was that? That trade right there was 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40-second trade on gold. Ah. Good job, Quincy. Good job, Quincy. Yeah, after it created the wick right there, it's the wick I was looking for. After it created the wick and it's going to break the highs, momentum is with it. Momentum is with it. So, you know, why not? But now I caution everybody, there's 18 minutes to news. It looks like it's gonna go right up to that zone right there. That was about 30 pips, I think. Very nice move, very nice, very nice, very nice. 35 pips, yeah, very nice move. Got me 10, I'm happy. Between this and last night, I think that's 38 pips for today. Yeah, that's plenty. More than usual. That's that 8 a.m. wick that I told you guys I was waiting for. I wanted to see an a wick. I wanted to see if the 8 o'clock between 8 and 8:30 would give me a wick. There it is. That's the wick. Could go in the opposite direction. That's a nice trade. That's a very nice trade. It's breaking into 40 pips now. Very nice. Hey, Kevin, good job, brother. Good job. Yeah, I tried a different instrument the other day. I put very little. I put $100 in it, and I got 150 out of it. Took my 100 out, put my 50 back in, made 150, took it all out, and I'm just testing new things. Just testing new things. GU going. Are the news good? The news must be good for the GBP. Is that right? No data yet. They're still talking. Them Brits like to talk a lot. No offense intended. That was a nice trade right there. 43 pips. Very clean move. Just like we like to see it. Now, who was it that was talking about God J's GJ this morning trade based on your secret sauce video? Awesome, Shane. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I don't know. Let me go look at it real quick. Okay, so this is the British pound and the Aussie. Let's go to GJ. Oh, GJ just dropped like crazy last night. This is the 3 a.m. candle. This is what you love to see with the London Open. Yeah, the wick goes up, right? Wick goes up, breaks the low. Let's go. The wick goes up, comes back down, breaks the low. Let's go. Wait for that first move. It'll tell you this. It'll tell you the story. If it goes without you, it goes without you. But Waiting on that wick tells the story. And it also gives you the stop loss. You know, it gives you the you're out. 16 pips, good job, Turkey. Good job, fantastic. It is already a winning morning. Do not put your money at risk now with 13 minutes to news. I would be looking to get out. You can choose to take partials and leave the rest running if you want to. That's what I did last night. But with news coming, I usually just close everything quick and early. Because sometimes if news moves too violently, it'll skip your stop loss. You know, you had your stop loss at break even, and the next thing you know, it skips it for 10, 15, 20 pips, and now you lost 15, 20 pips. Why do you want to do that? Okay, so the 4 hour on GJ is holding. The 4 hour held. I like this way of trading. Just chill. You know, on the 3 a.m. candle on the London, I always felt like I needed to get results quickly so I could go to bed. You know, and this way, nah, priorities already taken care of. My morning is saved for this. You know, prayer, meditation, workout, trading, talking to you guys, encouraging you guys, closing my trading day and going on with the rest of my day. Today I got a whole bunch of stuff to do. Tomorrow, my purple bed arrives. My purple bed. Have you guys heard about the purple bed? If you haven't heard about the purple bed, go running and check it out. Especially for those of you who have aches and pains, those of us who are a little older, and those of you who enjoy your rest and want to sleep well. You know, when you sleep on a good bed, when you sleep on a good mattress, like a Tempur-Pedic mattress, or in this case, the purple mattress, which is nicer than the Tempur-Pedic. I've tested them. Nicer. You sleep so well because you don't move. You know how you tend to move in the middle of the night, you turn one way, you turn another. Many times the reason why you're turning in the middle of the night is because you have a pressure point in your shoulder, your hip, your neck. You know, you have a pressure happening on that spot, and you need to turn. Your body knows it needs to turn to keep from getting a kink or a hurt or something, you know, aiding circulation. When you are on a purple bed, you lay down and you don't move. And you wake up in the morning and you haven't even moved. It's amazing. So my purple bed arrives tomorrow. And today I got to go get my wife a new battery because we bought this car brand new. Well, it's not brand new car, it's a used car, but you know, when the car sits in a parking lot of the dealer for a while, the battery goes bad. And so twice now it has not turned on her. 48 pips already on that gold move. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm getting used to these 50 pip moves on gold. I remember when 50 pips was huge. It's not huge anymore. Nine minutes. I want to see what the move does to this thing. Yeah. GU held the 4 hour held support on GJ. Yeah, on Shiba, back to Shiba. You know, $1,000 investment in Shiba in January will be worth a couple $100 million already. It's the age in which we live, guys, and we need to take advantage of these things. Next up for me is NFTs. I don't, there's such a huge opportunity going on right now. You don't want to miss it. I heard another trader talking about this whole thing with crypto. It was like .coms back in the day. And when people talk about the .coms, all they talk about is the bust of the .coms, right? Because you could put a .com on name on anything and it will start making all this money artificially, right? But what they don't remember is that a whole ton of people became millionaires during that time. That's what they forget. Because of the .com era, a whole bunch of people are millionaires today. Super millionaires. Super millionaires. Well, if this is like the .com era, which it kind of is, except it's different. It's different. The investment, the money that's behind the tokens, the coins, it's deeper and bigger, and the utilities of the tokens, how they can be used and whatever, is different. So it almost has intrinsic value because of that. It's kind of a perceived value, but really it could be seen as intrinsic because it has value in utilities that haven't even been invented yet. They're being made right now. So, whoa, wouldn't this be something if this now turned into a red wick going the other way? 6 minutes to news. Since the beginning of this year, there have been several opportunities already that people have missed. Doge was one of them. Shiba is another one that we're in the middle of right now. There's all these other ones like Solana that you mentioned, Cardano, Stellar Luna, the opportunities, and many that perhaps the biggest one hasn't even come out yet. Perhaps the biggest one has not yet been made. You know, we think of Bitcoin as the biggest one. Ethereum could surpass Bitcoin. Not likely because it has such a big jump on it, but it could. You know, a lot of second place runners crushed previous competition. You know, Facebook destroyed MySpace. Anybody remember MySpace? Anybody remember MySpace? MySpace was here first. Social networking. And Facebook killed it. They're calling Shiba the Doge killer, right? Imagine if all them Doge people jumped over to Shiba. Anyway, I'm just saying that there are huge opportunities going on right now, and we're missing out if we're not paying attention to what's happening. And it doesn't take a big risk. It doesn't take a big risk. Again, $500, which pretty much anybody here, heck, the government gave everybody $2,400 worth of stimulus money last year. Okay, had you taken that stimulus money and put it on Doge or in Shiba, you'd be a millionaire today. So the opportunities are here. They're happening. It's happening right now. It's happening right now, right in front of us. Stay woke. 3 minutes to news, 3 minutes to news. Let's see what it brings. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I remember that, Mercedes. I was here. I'm trying to remember the name of it. I'm trying to remember the name of it. I remember that. I remember that. Well, and vinyl records had a grip on the music industry, like a chokehold. And here comes Sony with the CD, and just destroys it completely. You know, years and years, decades and decades of control of a market, and within one decade, Sony destroyed it. Now vinyl is still around. Shiba is spelled Shiba. You know, vinyl is still around, but digital music has overwhelmed it, has overwhelmed the music industry. And some people just like to stay stuck in their ways and not realizing life has changed. Life has changed. And the reason why humanity has survived all these years is because of adaptability, being able to adapt to the change. And the early adapters are always ahead of everybody else. Nice move on GU. Okay, 30 seconds to news. Let's see it happen. I'm gonna stay on the 30-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the 30-minute on these. Okay, 2 seconds. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Okay, 830 pushing the high. No wick at the bottom. I would have liked to have seen a wick. Maybe this becomes a wick coming back down. I'm going to make a t-shirt, something along the lines of, I don't know what. No wick, no play. Beware of the no wick candle. What should I call it? Oh, 30-minute, 15-minute, okay. That's actually a bullish pattern, unless it breaks the low. Still no wick, no play for me. I learned that one. Ooh. GJ keeps being bullish. It's a 20 pip move on GU from the open of New York. It's nice. Right? Yeah, we'll come up with something. No wick, no click. That could be that sounds good. No wick, no click. I like it. Okay, who's gonna come up with a design on that one? Running to the trademark office. Okay, let's see if this gives me the wick going the other way. 30 minutes. Oh, good job, Cookie. Oh, by the way, I found the page that explains the breakdown of. Oh, I'm liking this, but I cannot sell it because I don't have a support there, or do I? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh, there it goes. There's that wick I wanted on the other end, but that's a 15-minute, 30-minute. Look at this, pretty. Come back down here. Come back down here. Come back down here. Yeah, wouldn't it be a beautiful thing for that 1 hour to turn bearish? It'll be beautiful, beautiful. What was I talking about? Talking about something. Uh-oh. 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 Oh man. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. That's beautimous, 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 beautimous. But now, since I didn't enter up here, I gotta wait for a close. That's just me now. Since I didn't take the impulse move down, would have been around there for 28 pips. Woo-hoo. I gotta wait. Now I have to wait. I have to wait for the close. I'm gonna focus on gold. Look at that. So at this point, it's gonna take me all the way to the 9 o'clock candle to do anything with that. Because I didn't take advantage of the 15-minute. Being patient. no wiki, no clicky. Well, there's your wick. But the entry again on the 15-minute would have been up here as it broke the low. At this stage of the game, I need to close down here below. That's a 30 pip stop loss if I take it, so. Paciencia. Here it would have been, yeah, that still would have been a 24 pip stop. It's a lot more now. 35. Oh. 21 minutes for this candle to close. Can't take that one, Shane. Can't take that one. That's kind of taken. Good over. Raja Banks took that one a long time ago. He wasn't wrong, though. He was not wrong. He nailed it. Good job, Kevin. Yeah, I should have gotten in on the 15-minute, but I didn't. It was good momentum. Let's see what news did. Okay, durable goods, worse than expected. And yet gold goes down. Check it out. Okay, the other one as expected. Better than expected, durable goods. The other one, new orders place producers for the supply of durable items that are expected to last at least 3 years are referred to as durable goods orders in the United States. Better than expected. Then the trade balance is worse than expected. So again, that's why you see this. Postal inventories, worse than expected. Non-defense good orders, better than expected. Still waiting on more news. Yeah, that kind of missed out already. Now it's come back inside, so no sales. Give me a little more time. Or is this gonna leave? Is this gonna leave another wick down here? Like a big old wick at the bottom for a takeoff? Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're doing? Look at Owanda, man. Look at Owanda. 5 pip spread. 5 pip spread. With this volatility. 5-2 right there. 3. That's crazy. 4 pip right there. Spread. 5 pip spread. Almost 6 pips. That's crazy. Oh, muchacho. Deja eso. Let me see my LQDFX spreads. 1, 1.3, less than 1, 1.3, 1.1, 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, less than 1. I mean, and the one that has it almost at 6? Kidding me. Crazy. Yeah, that was still a good payday right there. You just got to be quick about it, right? I mean, that did drop. They dropped 35 pips. And if you didn't take profit, that's on you, right? It was 35 pips, pretty good. And it could still drop. It's just people took profit, right? Dropped, people took profit, and it bounced up. The real move hasn't happened yet. Okay, so it closed bearish. Weak bearish, but it closed bearish. 15-minute, that is. I mean, you know what it is like to go in a trade on gold and be 5 pips down because of the spread, and then it moves 10 pips against you, and now you're down 15 pips on gold, and it's only 10 pips down. You're only 10 pips down, but because of the spread, you're down 15. Messed up. Okay, pushing down again. Let's see if it closes below. I mean, there's 2 ways of looking at this, right? If it doesn't close below or above, then it's back in this range. Not bad. You can still trade that. And on a news day, on a day with news, for those of you who held it longer, you caught yourself about anywhere between 30 and 40 pips, and then caught yourself another sell over here for about 20 some pips. That's a pretty good day. For a day that has news, it's amazing. So for most of us, it's closing the platform kind of time. No need to mess around with this no more. Maybe maybe we go back and look at what Shiba's doing. Shiba just keeps ripping up. Wow. Crazy. Okay, here we go. Pushing up. $12 to the 9 o'clock candle. Hey, Kenneth, how are you doing, buddy? Did you catch any of that gold last night, Kenny? Are you trading New York or are you trading London? What are you trading, Kenny? Looks like all we got is winners this morning, right? I mean, looks like everybody made money this morning. Everybody here on the live made money this morning. Is that correct? Sounds about right. Bunch of winners this morning. Pretty cool. Wonder if Abby's here. Abby, está por aquí. Okay. All right. So you did GJ last night? Did it go well for you with GJ? The one that Jay sent? I sent gold early in the evening and it paid out early. But yep, there he goes. There you go. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Pushing, pushing, pushing. This is where I used to get in trouble. I used to get in right away, right? Anticipating that because it turned green, it was going to break the high. No. We wait. We wait. Let's go to the daily again. Look at the daily. It's turned bullish. Daily is really undecided, actually. The price is right there at the borderline. But the previous one bounced. This one bounced. 4 hour bullish. 1 hour bullish. 30-minute bullish. Bully, 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 bully. 4 hours. The stochastic is way oversold. It's at the top. A lot of conflicting information. Oh, GBP USD, awesome, man. Good job. Good job. Looks like GJ is gonna sell. Is that right? Finally. Finally, looks like GJ is gonna sell. Maybe. Now maybe. Now maybe. Now maybe it's time to sell. Gotta break through all this crap though. It looks like it's going to. And when GJ drops, it drops hard. See what happens. Pay attention to what happened with gold here with the 8 o'clock candle and the 8:30 candle. Quick moves up, quick move down. That was our shot, right? So far, that was it. That's been it. If you missed those, no sense in jumping into the market, trying to make something happen. If you missed it, you missed it. You just wait. There'll be another opportunity coming around soon, probably between 9 and 10. There might be a move. I may not be here when it happens. But you may still be able to catch it. You rejected the golden zone from here to here. Which golden zone? This one? I'm assuming you're talking about this one. Beautiful. Perfect. And if this was gold, that would be about 30 pips already. Yeah, not a lot of pips on about 15 pips paid. Yeah, there should be a strategy for that 61.8 because that just happens so much. Yeah, still hovering around. Five minutes to the 9 a.m. All right, still nothing happening. Show my insurance people my new address, and they're still sending stuff to the old address. Looks like this wants to close back inside the zone. This is still in the middle of the zone. This one can't make up its mind either. I would say eliminate this one. I think this is the pertinent one. That's the 4-hour one. That's the one that matters. And perhaps resistance is being created up here. Okay, 2 minutes. Feels like some volatility is happening. Candle's starting to move. Need to get on the bike so I can wake up. Nothing auspicious from the currency heat wave. UP and USD are pretty much locked in, same battle. JPY is stronger, but for some reason it can't drop it. Oh, Canada is on the floor. GBP Canada is probably flying. Because Canada is almost at zero. Yep, there it is. We got a few seconds left. Yep, getting ready to break the highs. Canada is GA, still holding. 30 seconds, let's go back for our 9 a.m. candle. Oh, look at that. Turning bullish the last few minutes. Oops. Perhaps now we break the highs. Let's see. Am I going to take another position here if it's wicks up? Just watching it. Again, same thing, right? No wick on the new candle, no wick at the top. Just immediately started moving down. What I would like to see is for it to bounce. See these wicks here, for it to respect these wicks and start wicking up. Then we might get a breakout. So the move down is not a bad thing. It's a good thing if it actually then gives us a wick on the way up. I have noticed this about the New York also. Takes a lot of patience to wait for the move to reveal itself. Yeah, GJ is dropping. So is GU. I think it's more important. It's much clearer than GA right now. Takes a minute again to show its hand, but then when it shows its hand, it really goes. Maybe it's because it thinks it already has trapped the people it was doing the trapping. And it's a good feeling not to be in the trade and have the option of still determining what price is doing, and which direction it is going to take. What's up, babe?
I'm leaving.
Oh, you're going to therapy?
Yeah. Your car or mine?
Take my card just in case.
Okay.
Okay. All right. That's with my bride. Okay, here we go. Looks like it's about to go. Let's see if it goes. How many pips is that? From entry, if I take a buy, 20 pips. Let's see, what am I willing to risk? For them 20 pips. I think it's getting ready to go. Okay, I'm in. Let's see if it holds. This will be my last trade. Stop loss is at the bottom of the wick. Small position. Let me open this up a little bit so I can see its potential. Okay, better than 2-1 right now. Still struggling. If it starts messing around with me, I'll start closing positions. Because right now I'm still in the negative. Let's see. Let me look at the 5 minute, what it looks like. Okay, the 5 minute can give me a clearer view right now. Still struggling to break the previous high. It's basically at -1 pip, 0 now. Let's go. Vamos, Gorito. Vamos, Gorito. Okay, there you go. Let's go. Vamos, Gorito, que tú puedes. I rejected again. trading. It is struggling. Previous 5 minute is just barely holding. Looks like it's wicking out. Cutting positions. And I'll hold the rest. Yeah, I can live with that. See what happens. Let's see what comes of it. Still struggling here, still struggling. Yeah, this is when, again, I'm tempted just to close the whole darn thing. It's just not me, right? I mean, when I go in, it's got to go. If it doesn't go, my timing is off, right? And yeah, it could still go my way, but I don't want to endure the uncertainty, and I don't have to endure the uncertainty. I can just close it, come back when it's ready. Right now, it's still hovering like it wants to go, right? It's holding the 8 exponential on the 5 minute. It's holding. So it should go. Again, I've reduced it to where it doesn't really matter what it does. It's not going to hurt me today. My profits for the day are still going to be significant. But as far as the principle of the trade, which is what really I'm interested in, what I'm interested in is me following my rules, me following my principles and the principles of the trade, of my psychology and my style and how I trade and how I know I win. Having something hovering like this doesn't do it for me. I'd rather close it and then it still run my way. I could always get in if I want to, with a retest or a pullback or something like that. Now it's moving. Okay, so it's pretending. It's pretending. Let's see if it actually goes. If it goes, it should run. It's really fighting here. Okay, up 3 pips. Let's see if it goes. It should go, but not my preferred style. Keeps rejecting on that spot. Yeah, basically I put my TP at just under the 50 moving average on the 1 hour. That's about 34 pips away. I'm gonna let it do what it wants to do. I may even close the broadcast and just let it keep going, and whatever happens, happens. It's struggling to get over this spot right here. I mean, again, rejection from the bottom. It should go, but it hasn't. Let me see. The daily, is the daily still bullish? Daily's still bullish, isn't it? Yeah, the daily's bullish. Uptrend. But again, this is resistance up here. And it rejected there once already. So we shall see. Are we moving or not? Up 2 pips. Up 3 pips, 4 pips. There you go. 5 pips. 8 pips, 9 pips all of a sudden. Look at that, 10 pips. Son of a biscuit. Okay, here we go. Where's my 50? Let's get my 50 up. So my TP is somewhere around here. So, and it keeps struggling, man. It keeps fighting here. Where is it? Something like this. Something like so. Well, the stock market opens in 14 minutes. Maybe that'll bring some volume. Good morning, Billy. But I don't know. You know, I'm not going to hang out that much longer. I got stuff to do. That's me trying to turn on my. There you go. Open my physical. Magic keys. So now again, it's came back to 0, up now 4 pips. This is why again, on occasion, it hits 10 pips. I just take it. See, I'm letting it run because it doesn't really matter what happens. I'm trying to prove my principle right. And if it works, great. If it doesn't work, then I know I should take those 10 pips, and that everything is more of a learning experience. 6 pips up. Now it's back to 8. Yeah, I'm tempted just to close it all and just call it a day. It may move later, or it may move now with the 9:30. Take my 6 pips and go home. Still hovering on the same spot. 11 minutes to the hour candle, right? Am I right? Ten minutes to the 9:30 candle. Yep, back at zero. Rejection, rejection, rejection. It's not looking good for buys now. Not looking bueno. Oh, sorry guys. Waiting here to see what the 9:30 does. Going into extra time now. Extra innings. Playing the extra innings. What did GJ and GU do? They still hovering around? That looks gonna break. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So very quick scalps, right, today. Going up, coming down. One little move here, which was 10 pips, which I didn't take. Now that's failing. Trying to push up. We'll see. Back to the 1 hour. Pretty green again. Playing with people's feelings here. The best way to handle this is to be resolved, and that if you lose the money, you lose it. You win the money, you win it. What's important is you had an analysis, you had a thesis, you put it into play. And what happened? And after what happened happens, then you can analyze again and journal your results. And in my case, yeah, it just reiterates what I already know about me, which is if it doesn't move right away, not worth sticking around for it. It can pay off, but it's not as important to me that it pays off as much as, okay, how am I handling my psychology? Because my psychology is what matters. I have to be confident in what I'm doing day in and day out. Price is going to move up, price is going to move down. Some days are going to win, some days are going to lose. What has to remain consistent is my psychology, my approach. That has to remain consistent. And so today I'm doing an exception, letting this run because I've already made significant profits. And if I lose this, it's not going to really hurt me. But I'll be done already. I would have closed this out already. Ain't nobody got time for this. 5 minute. Just close below the 8. Let's see if it climbs back up on this one or if it continues down. On the higher time frame, a candle closing below the 8 is usually a turnaround candle. It's holding, the 8 is still holding on the 15-minute and on the 30-minute for sure, obviously, right? And all the ones, in fact, interesting. On the 1 hour, the 8 crossed the 20. So it seems to be bringing bullish momentum on the 1 hour. We have a crossover of the 8 and the 20. Like it just happened. So, and the 8 on the 30-minute crossed the 20 and is crossing the 50 right now. Just crossed the 50. In fact, it already crossed the 50. So it seems to be pushing momentum up. We'll see. We'll see. 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes to the 9:30 candle, the open of the New York Stock Exchange. NYSE. Let's see what happens. And then I'm done. Getting ready to close it. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty good, Robert. You did good, Robert. You did good. Okay. What is this? 5 minute? 5 minutes struggling to hold above the 8. Let's see if it does. Oops. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's see. Now it's rejecting again. Gonna be less than 2 minutes. Minute 50. Okay, back at zero. Keeping it at the 1 hour because I have the 50 right there. One minute to the 9:30 candle. See, this is where Jay would be again. This is why we don't do this, Jay and I. 30 minutes of my life, man. 30 minutes of my life. Gone, never coming back. Sitting here talking about a trade that I should have closed. Heck, I could close it now. But I'm gonna wait to see what the NYSE does. You don't get time back, so you can do a lot of things with money, but you can't buy the time that's gone. You can buy your future time, but you can't buy the time that's gone. Okay, is it gonna close bullish or is it gonna close reddish? What did it close? It closed bullish, barely. Okay, this is the NYSE open. That's wigging out. Let's see what happens here. Volume coming in. Maybe wants to go down and grab some more liquidity before going up. I don't know, but it is coming down. Let's see our candle. Give it a few minutes to see if it has a reaction, a quick reaction to this. And otherwise, I'm shutting it down and getting on the Peloton. Okay, went down, grab a little liquidity. Let's see if it keeps moving up. Yeah, I'm not gonna let this turn into an hour of my life. So let's get a result. Vamos. Vamos, que nos vamos. Here you go. Let's go. Yep. Went and grab a little more liquidity. And now it's making its move. What do you think, guys? Yep. Now it's ready. Or not. Let's see. Yeah, it went up 5 pips, came back 5 pips. Could it just keep consolidating here? It could. Okay, on the next impulse up, I am closing it. Don't care what it does from there on out. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, on that last impulse, I went and closed it. It seems like now with the momentum, it should keep going. but I'm done. Let's see, where's the hour? Yeah, look at the hour. I mean, that's nice. That's nice action. Never threatened, right? Never threatened to hit your stop loss. Came down a couple times. The 30-minute. It came down a couple times. Well, this one right here came down within a few pips. Around 7 pips of stop loss, but that's it. It should make us a strong move here in a minute. But I think it's time for me to get on the bike. GBP is weak. And JPY got some strength. So, okay, so we know now, right? Yep, there it is. GJ. There it is. I gave you the goods on that one. 30 pips. 27 pips. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I liked GJ all day long better than GU today. Much nicer. It's kind of predictive. Very clean. Very clean action. There goes gold. It's going to go. It's going to go. Thank you, Mercedes. I've been writing all through Spain. Let me find another one from Spain to ride today, and get all the other stuff I need to get done today. That should break the high and hit TP. Okay, that should hit the high and break TP. But I'm calling it a day. I appreciate everybody here. I will be back tomorrow. I think there's a bunch of news tomorrow too. Man, a whole bunch of news tomorrow. So I won't be here. I'll probably be here around 7:30. There's no sense with all these news happening, or I'll trade tonight and skip tomorrow. I may trade Asia and skip tomorrow. We got Asia news tonight, so there may be a good opportunity to make some money on the yen. So we'll see. If I show up tomorrow, it'll be around 7:30. Not any earlier than, excuse me, not any earlier than that. Okay, guys. God bless you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow, hopefully.